everyone, and welcome to my sustainable kitchen. My name is Anna, and today we are going to be making a myriad of apple recipes, right? So it's the beginning of October right now, and that means it's apple season, full-blown, 100%. So why not take advantage of all these apples and make some delicious recipes? I don't know about you, but everywhere I go, there's so many apples. I'll go to the grocery store, apples. I'll go to any bakery, apples. If it's not pumpkin spice, it's apple or cinnamon. So let's add on to that. Let's make some recipes. And some of these recipes might be familiar to you. You know, we're gonna make an apple coffee cake, which is gonna be really good, which is just like an apple pastry. But I really wanted to throw in some original ideas in there. So something I'm really excited about for today is apple and sweet potato latkes. So we're making the coffee cake, we're making the latkes, we're making apple chips with a seasonal yogurt dip, and we're making a mocktail, an apple cider mocktail, which I'm really excited about. So that is everything we're doing today. You might notice if you've watched my other cooking videos that I'm in a different kitchen today, and that is because I'm in upstate New York to do some apple picking. I love going to an apple orchard, especially as a city girl, being able to be outside and actually picking fruit and being surrounded by all these trees that produce such delicious produce makes me so happy and so thankful for nature. So now all that is said and done, let us go to the apple orchard. I'm going to teach you how to pick our apples and we're going to make some delicious recipes. Roll the montage.